Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly stream PlayStation games to your Discord account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the steps shown in this video should apply for both the mobile app version of Discord as well as the desktop version. So what we're essentially going to do here is simply link our Discord account with our PSN account. And to do so, what you need to do is you need to open Discord. And by the way, like I said, the same steps should apply to the mobile app, and you want to look for the little gear icon found in the lower left corner of your screen, or the window rather. So once you click on the gear icon, it should take you to the user settings as shown here on my screen, but I'm currently blocking like my linked accounts because I don't want you guys to see it, obviously. Anyway, once you're here, you want to simply click on the connections tab, and it should show you this screen here. So from here on out, what you need to do is you need to click on this PlayStation Network, and it should redirect you to a browser page, or if you're on your phone, yeah, on a browser page where you get to log in your PSN account. And when you do, once you log in, you basically just give Discord permission to link both your PSN account and your Discord account. And this way, now you get to stream your PlayStation games to anyone in your Discord channel or voice chat. It's basically just like authorizing the PlayStation app to work connectively with Discord. So to actually stream your game, you need to join a voice chat through the mobile app on your phone or your PC. So you need to join a voice chat, click start stream, and there you'll find an option to stream to join voice chat on your PlayStation. And when you do, you actually have the option to broadcast what's ever being shown on your PlayStation screen to Discord. And yeah, that's it. Now you can stream your PlayStation games to Discord. If this method worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comments. And we do have a YouTube channel, so if you want to show your support, you can subscribe to our channel. We do tech guides like these daily. Like the video and make sure that the bell notifications turned on. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.